the village also suffers from the lack of freshwater supplies. So the school inevitably has suffered in the past. There is now a supply of water which goes outside the school and just disappears down the hill. The children will go and drink out of that. But to educate the children about safe drinking water is quite a hard task, because when they go back to the house, the parents have different view about the drinking water. We talk a lot about the health and hygiene in the school or in their curriculums. However, there is no freshwater supply or toilet facility with running water in that school. And without that, it is difficult to go on about the health and hygiene without actual practical use of the education we've been trying to endorse to the children. So, in my view, the running water, shower, or the toilet with the running water is as important as having the books and the pens and the teaching material in the school.